Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is Thursday. It's September 17th. And before I begin, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's congressive system. In fact, what I was going to say, any past performance of DTA's congressive system is not indicative of future results. Again, this live webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. I must emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. It is not a signal service, and I do not provide signal services. Okay, so that said, let's look at the macro view chart, or the macro chart. During the overnight session, what happened was basically, here it is, had a lot of movement. We basically dropped. And then what happened was we recovered to the retracement area, the Fibonacci 50%, as you can see there. And then now it's trying to make itself, or try to get back down again. But again, it's going to try to get this retrace level at least one more time. And I'm in the middle of a trade right now. So there's my profit target. I already hit my first profit target right here. That pink one, I entered somewhere there in the blue. So now hopefully I can reach this profit target right there as well. And the reason I entered that was because it was a setup. It was a actual high probability setup, and based on the deviation levels of the VWAP. So anyways, this is more the macro view, and you can see where it's headed now. It's headed to the VWAP. The VWAP is right here. And this is the intraday or 24/7 VWAP. Okay, so basically it's right, where's that? Here's the VWAP right there. Okay. So we'll see what happens here. It might come back down, but let me take you this view right now. I'll show you another view of the morning session VWAP, which is just forming right now. So let me see if I can find it here. New share. Find it, number 2. Okay, there we are. Oh, by the way, economic news releases, there is really none that big. Okay, so here we're coming down here. Should I be scared? Probably not. Let me just put this just to save my. Hold on, if I can get this. What I'm trying to do is, let me move my stop right here. What is that? 25. So at least I know that if it does come down, man, when I'm working with a small, there we are. Okay, yeah, that's where I want it, right there. So in fact, I might just close this out if this doesn't get up. So we'll see here. This is more the macro or the micro view. There's the VWAP right here for the morning session or the day session, and here is the other VWAP. That's the 24/7 VWAP. So the price right now is in between. So what it's going to try to do now, it's either trying to meet up there or it will continue going down here. So we'll see here what's going to happen here. I have a 1 tick stop loss here. If it hits it, it hits it. If it doesn't, then so be it. Again, we're hitting this -1 deviation, and I'm thinking it's going to hit this -1 deviation and come back up. That's my speculation, because it's going to try to test this other VWAP here in the top here. So we'll see. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on mute, and again, I'm trading 2 contracts. Again, my goal is between $200 to $400 within 1 hour. And I think I've already made on 3, I think 150. I got to check my thing here, but we'll see. I'll let you know. I'll put this back in mute and I will talk to you guys later. So I think that should be I'm done with my day. Let me see here. Hold on. Trying to get my. So this is our first trade that I closed out. Basically, I'm trading two contracts. My first contract was 150, and with that one, closed out at 500. So my gross profit is 650 on one trade. So I'm pretty much done for the day. You're talking about around 600 on one trade net profit. And because the net profit is around, let's say, around $8. So take away $8 here. That would be my commission. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can. That wasn't even 30 minutes. Like I said, if you know how to trade the VWAP and the deviation levels, you know exactly where the market's going to go, and that's what the institutional traders usually do. They basically trade from the VWAP deviation levels, and if you know what the pattern is, you will definitely know where the price is going. That's why I do teach this. Trading how to trade the VWAP, the deviation levels, not just the VWAP, but the deviation levels as well. But we'll be offering a special now with basic legacy trade setups. If you guys are interested to learn, I'm only taking 5 students. And currently I have 2 right now that's about to finish next week. And one is actually doing pretty good. In fact, one is really doing good. The other one is doing good as well. But to put it that way, they're both doing good. But you know, as traders, each one has their own style, and they have their own individual, how they can pick up some things. Some people or some students can pick up things really fast, and while some others may not be as fast. But that doesn't mean they're bad. It just means the way they pick up things, pick up new skills, put it that way. But both of them are definitely learning, and nothing bad. In fact, I see improvements in all of them. They know how to trade the setups, and which is good. So let me see if we can get another one here. I traded my other account, the overnight market, and I was able to get a over, I believe, what was it, 600? 500 as well, $500. Again, I'm only on that one. I'm only trading one contract. On the ES, this one I'm trading 2 contracts. So right now you can see right here we're in the +3 deviation, and usually that's where it's going to signal. It's either going to continue going up. Look at the angle that we'll see if it's going to continue, but in all likelihood, it's going to try to come back down. Again, it's going to try to test this VWAP right here now, since we're above both VWAPs. Okay, we're above both VWAPs now. I'll show you the VWAPs. Right here. Right, see this? There's one there, and the other one's right here. This green one and this pink one. So now the price is over both VWAPs, so we are looking more of a long trades or buy trades. And I think that's going to get to maybe to this point to 33.50. And I think from 33.50, it's going to start coming down, or may start coming down now around here by 33.41 to 33.50. That's what I'm looking. So I'll show you that. This is the area where I think it's going to come back down. Let me draw that rectangle. So we're looking at maybe 33.50. 33.50, right? Oops. Rectangle area. So around there to 33.42. Let's see, on 43. That's fine. So I'm looking around that area. So let me draw, just in case that rectangle gets out. So I'm going to do a horizontal line. So let's see if it reaches that area and then comes back down. $42.75. Let's put this more on. $42.75, which is only one tick. Yeah, that's fine. $42.75 is fine. So that's where I'm thinking this box right here, or this area right here, where price will come back down. Again, that's my speculation. Doesn't mean that my speculation is going to pan out. So again, let me put this back on mute and I'll talk to you guys later. So with that, I'm definitely done. I don't want to risk anymore. I don't want to risk giving back to the market. So basically, this is our final tally. Let me see here. Final tally is close to 1,000 on 2 trades right here. So that's 4 times 4 is 16. So we're still above 962.50 is the gross, right? So our net is around over still 900. So with that said, I am going to end it for tonight. I don't want to give anything back. And like I said, those of you, I'll be offering a special offer I'm taking 5 students to basically learn just the basic setup first. This one I'm trading right now is more advanced. It's basically the VWAP and the deviation levels, but you need to know the basic setup first to do this. So anyways, with that said, enjoy the rest of your evening and God bless. Okay, so take care. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is the end of the week, Friday, and usually the markets are really weird. And also expiration of the September contract. Even though we're trading December contract right now, it's an expiration of the September contract. So the market might be weird tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.